How to install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu 26.04. So go to the Google and search for Visual Studio Code, and you will get the link to download the Visual Studio Code. Click on download VS Code, and here we have the downloader for VS Code. We are going to download it for dev, Ubuntu and system. So click here, and this file is getting downloaded. Visual Studio Code version v1.111 is here, and this is new one. Now it is opening with the installer. Go to the downloads. Open in terminal. This is the command: paste ./code . Now it is installing. Yes. So this is installed now. Click it, and then this is the Visual Studio Code. Go to the files. You can create, open a folder, user, projects, select. Now you can create one full trust this project. Now create a file here. So we are able to create one file. In this tutorial, I showed you how to download Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu 26.04 and then install. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.